All right, so we're up here in the attic. There's the entryway. This is your filter for your AC. Usually you want to replace this about every 30 days, but with these bigger filters, you can usually get a lot longer out of that. You need to kind of see what this house needs. Okay, so just pull the lid open, it comes out of the bottom, and then the filter just slides out. Now the only thing you need to think about when you're putting it back in is the arrow telling you which way for it to point. So air is flowing this way across the unit. Just slide the new one back in, and this is usually better done when the unit's not running. Makes it a little bit easier. Put the bottom lip back in, flip it back up, and you're good to go.